Hello guys, this is a short tutorial video on how to use the study boards to prepare for your INBDE exams. First of all, you need to create an account. Go to the studyboards.com using Google Chrome. Open up the register page and fill in all the details necessary on this page. To complete the registration process, you need to check the box I agree with the study boards and click the sign up button. Once it's done, go to your emails and verify your account by clicking the link provided on the email. By doing that, you will activate your account. And now you can use your email address or username to sign in to your account.